Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to install your earpads for the Bose QC25. To remove the earpads, just pull gently away from the ear cup. They'll pop right out. Make sure to repeat once more for the other side, and then grab your new Dekoni audio earpads for the Bose QC series. The process of applying your new earpads is very easy. Make sure to line up your seam of the earpad with the bottom of the ear cup first. Then apply a pressure around the entire earpad until it clips into place. You can pull on the earpad to make sure it doesn't come off. If it does come off, just make sure to add more pressure in the places that are loose. Repeat this process once more for the other side. Enjoy your new Dekoni audio earpads for the Bose QC25. Thanks for watching.